All right, everyone, I'm just going to take you through running the maths notebooks on the browser without having to download anything at all. So we'll open up a browser and we're just going to type in Azure Notebooks. Azure is a web service from Microsoft, and because UTS is linked with Microsoft in terms of partnering with them for a lot of our IT services, we can sign in with our staff or student accounts. So let's sign in. Let's pick an account. Okay, it's just signing me in automatically. It should be a normal web prompt like you usually get when you're signing into UTS webmail. My projects is what you want to click on. So we're gonna end up here. All right. Then we want to go upload GitHub repo. So GitHub is where the code is stored for the notebooks themselves, and we just want to type in the repository's information, which is as follows, and then maths underscore notebooks, and name what the project ID, whatever you want. The project name is what you'll click on, and probably leave it private. You don't really need to leave it public. So and then we'll import. Okay, that took a couple of minutes, but here we are. So we have the notebooks themselves there, and we also have the README that I've written up. So we'll just run through one quickly just to show how you can use it in this browser. So we'll just click on, we'll go to matrices. Should open a new tab. And here it is. So it has all the code. It looks just like you would run it locally, except it has another banner at the top, the black banner from Microsoft Azure Notebooks. What we'll do is we'll get the kernel and we will restart and clear output, and that means that just all the output below is cleared so that we can run it and get it for the first time. Yeah, cool. So if you want to jump on this, you can obviously move around and do all that sort of stuff, make edits, but then you want to hold Shift and Enter to run the cell, and we should get a nice importing happening. And I think it's being a little bit slow, mainly just because I'm also recording on the screen. But there we go. Okay, so it's producing output now. And there we go. Okay, maybe you just had to initialize the... Okay, yeah. Usually when you import a bunch of functions like we're doing up here, it might just take a little bit of time for them to go into the namespace and for that to be returned to the browser where we are. So just expect a little bit of lag when you start up. But there we go. Okay, so we're producing output. Very good. And we're producing diagonal matrices. Yeah, cool. Sweet. So that's essentially how you get in there and initialize the repository. There's not much more to it. It now just looks exactly like you would have for Anaconda. And we can just run them here and pull it all from GitHub. The GitHub link will be in the project description in case you didn't catch that as I was writing it, or maybe it was a little bit too small. Okay, cheers.